This video is going to show you how to set up a document in Finale NotePad. First, you'll need to come over and find the icon on your desktop. Once you click that, it'll start to pop up. You'll have a couple of windows that all you have to do is just exit right out of. The first two here, they don't concern what we're going to be doing today. But when you get to the third one, it'll say Document Setup Wizard. And you're going to want to put in the title of whatever song you are creating. Today we're doing a piece and we're going to call it Mary Had a Lot of Notes. Alright, and I'll put myself as the composer. You can put yourself, or you can just use my name. And then you're going to click Next. Now you're going to be deciding what instrument you want to use, and for today I think I'm going to pick the pitched percussion and go into mallets. Now if you were going to pick something else, you would just need to go into the family, say the woodwind family, and the list will populate on the right. Or brass, you'll see you've got your trumpets and your baritones and etc. All you have to do to bring them over is to double click them, or just click them once like the trombone here and then click add. Either way, if you find you don't want something over here, you just make sure they're selected and you can click remove. So I'm only going to be using the mallets for this song here today, and I'm going to click next once I have the instrument I want. The final step in doing the original setup here is to pick your time signature right here and your key signature, and also how many measures you want to appear. So I'm going to start by using 4/4 time. It's already selected normally. And I'm going to pick a key that's a little more interesting than the key of C. To go for sharps, you'll click the arrow up, or for flats, you can go down. You can also specify a minor key if you want, but it really doesn't do much other than to change the name. So I'm going to stick with major, and I'm going to use the key of G, 1 sharp. And my example only has 8 measures. So I'm going to input that in. That way I don't have a lot of leftover measures that I have to delete at the end. If your song is longer, you can put in the number of measures, or there's a way to add measures after you've completed the original measures that they give you. Now you'll click Finish, and all of a sudden you'll see that you have a document ready to go. The staff is there, the time signature, the key signature, the title of your song is there, and your name. And you'll see that there is a toolbar at the top that you're going to learn how to use in the next video. If you need to go back and refresh, you can watch this video again before moving on to the next one.